Hi friends, today for math we are still comparing numbers, but today you're going to do it a little bit differently. So today we're still using the same symbols. They never change. We have a greater than, a less than, and an equal to. When you're doing greater than and less than, the alligator mouth always eats the biggest number. The alligator mouth always eats the biggest number. Now today, on your seesaw activity, we're going to do the exact same thing as we're about to do together. So I have some comparisons for you here, and we're going to look at them, and we need to decide if they are true or if they are false, if they're wrong. So true is right, false is wrong. So we're going to look and see if these are right or not, because sometimes you might see a comparison, but it's always important to check and make sure that we did it right. Because it could lead us to think the wrong thing if it's not done correctly. So let's look. This says 92 is less than 97. So I'm going to look in my biggest place first. So in my tens place on this number, I have a 9 and I have a 9. They're the same. But then I have a 2 in my ones place and I have a 7 in my ones place. So which one is bigger? 97 for sure, because this 7 is bigger than this 2. So if my alligator mouth is eating the 97 and it is the bigger number, is this true or false? It's true. So this one, I would say true. Now let's check the next one. I have 494 and I have 476, but I said 494 is less than 476. What do you think? Let's check. In my hundreds place, I have 4 and a 4. They're the same. Let's look at the tens place. I have a 9 and a 7. 9 and a 7. Okay, 9 is bigger than 7, right? But I'm saying that 476 is bigger, that my alligator wants to eat this number. Is that right? It's false. This one is not right. Let's keep going. We got 2 more. I have 567 and I have 539. This says 567 is greater than 539. What do you think? Let's check. In my hundreds place, I have 5 and a 5. In my tens place, I have a 6 and a 3. Which one's bigger, 6 or 3? 6. So this number's bigger, and my alligator mouth is eating this number. Is it right? It is. If I say 567 is greater than 539, that's true. It is correct. And down here at the bottom, I have an equal sign. Let's look at it. My numbers say 932 is equal to 931. What do you think? Let's check. Look at our hundreds place first. I have a 9 and a 9 in my hundreds. They're the same. Let's look at tens. I have a 3 and a 3. They're the same. Now look at the ones place. I have a 2 and I have a 1. Are they the same? They're not. Since they're not the same, this cannot be an equals. This sign should be a greater than, because 932, this 2 is greater than a 1. So 932 is greater than 931. This is false. Now, today on Seesaw, you're going to do the same thing. They're going to give you 2 numbers, and they're going to have the comparison symbols in the middle. And you've got to look at them closely and see if you can figure out if they are true or if they are false. Good luck on Seesaw today.